Okay. So previous class we added employee controller and entity and DTO and repository. Now we are going to add service and service IMPL. So let me add as an interface as a service, employee service. Employee service. Here we are going to add all the abstract methods, right? Abstract methods here we are going to add here. So first create employee. So here we are passing employee DTO. DTO. Next one is the get employee. It will return as a DTO. Here the get employee. Get employee. Okay. Get employee by ID. Okay. Here we can give the employee ID. That's fine. After that, update employee. Update employee. Okay. We don't need to pass anything. We're giving wide as is here. Employee ID, comma, employee DTO. Why? Because in the real world, from the front end, we will go, we got the primary key as well as changed fields of the request object. So we need to get the object from the database, and whatever the fields are changed from here to here, we will update and we will save that, update that record. And here you can write get all employees. Okay. No need to give anything. It will give all the records. Here you can add list. Okay. List. The list will be coming from the util class. And one more, delete employee by ID. Delete employee by ID. Obviously, it will not return anything after deleting ID. So instead of get, delete employee by employee ID. Okay. So these are the methods we are going to implement. Okay. So service IMPL. So copy this name and create a service IMPL here. So this is the class of IMPL, means implementation. You can add the interface. What interface you are providing a implementation? Employee service. This is the interface, right? So finish. Okay. It is added all the implementation methods here. So empty implementations. You can add at the rate service here. So Spring container will recognize here. We are going to add business logic for this application. So as part of this session, we created employee service and all the abstract methods of the employee management service actions. So we added here. You can see here. Sorry, you can see here. Create employee, get employee by ID, and update employee, and get all employees, delete employee by ID. We added and create and implement empty implementations of the above methods here. So create and implement empty implementations for above methods here, which means employee service IMPL. So we done for that. Okay. The next class we will provide a one next class. What will be the next class? Next session. Sorry. So here, implement post API and employee controller, saving employee details in a database. Create employee helper to convert the DTO to entity. This is what we are going to see next class. Okay.